Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we'll be setting up our health spreads for the next week in July, and I've got some sticker sheets here ready to go, as well as that wellness sticker box and these sticker books which I'll pull from. Okay you guys, so this week I decided to go back to that new kind of style I've been using where I combine these two boxes at the top and just make a bigger overall area for decor, and then I can add in my workouts there through boxes or what have you. So I'm going to go ahead and start by whiting out all of the lines that I have here using my Jelly Roll whiteout pen. I get a lot of questions about this guy, so if you're looking for this or anything else I use in my videos, do check the description below. I link all of the products that I use that I can find in the video, and I will link it below. So this week's theme, I decided I'm going to do a Dream Seeker theme based off of the Dream Seeker sticker book. I'm pretty sure I was inspired by somebody's spread on Instagram, but of course I couldn't find it, and mainly just to use the Dream Seeker stickers. So I'm going to go ahead and start by putting in these stat trackers, and these I made on my foam memo printer. If you're interested in getting the free downloadable templates and printing your own, do check the description. I'll have a link to the video where that lives, where I discuss creating your own stickers with the foam memo printer, and you can download them in the description from that video. So here I decided that I was going to use some stickers that kind of look like washi tape from the Dream Seeker sticker book and cut them in half in order to use them as my food log stickers. I'm basically just adding a little bit more pattern and color here on this section of the spread. Nothing too fancy, just a little something extra, but still plenty of room to write in what I'm eating each day and the calories and all that good stuff. I've been trying to get my health regimen back on track. Obviously, since COVID, things kind of went off the rails, and then I also had some health issues that kind of just took a long time for me to get over, which I'm still not 100% from. They keep kind of coming back and haunting me. So I haven't felt 100%, but I really just need to refocus myself back on my health. I've just kind of let it lag and been lollygagging about it, and each time I think I'm going to start, something happens, like I get some kind of sickness, or my husband brings home ice cream, or something like that. So I'm hoping that this spread is going to be the week that I get things back on track, that I can really focus and everything's going to fall into place. It's never easy though, for some reason. I don't know why, but it's just, maybe I'm just getting older and nothing gets easier as you get older. Anyway, so that's the idea here, and I really love the Dream Seeker aesthetic as far as the colors and stuff, so I'm hoping this will help just keep the energy going all week and, you know, drive me to put things in it that I want to. So we're gonna hope for that. So right now I'm putting down the stickers and I'm trimming them to size so that they don't overlap at all on the bottom. And I got lazy on that one and trimmed it a little bit too close, but you know. Next I'm going to be putting in the habit trackers I'm using this month, and these come from that wellness sticker box. It's pretty much all I'm pulling from there. I'm also going to put in a quote and a little place for my goals at the top there, and that'll be it for my sidebar this week. Now we're into the fun part, and I really don't have a clear plan on how this is all going to fit together. So I'm using some wax paper just to help me get my ideas down without committing these stickers to the page. I pulled the "You Got This" first. I thought that would be a really nice anchor for the spread, and then I decided to grab another quote there with the "Be Brave" and use it on the opposite side just for a little bit of balance and something bold to kind of tie things together up here. I also grabbed these hexagon stickers from the newer Rainbow Big sticker book, and I am really excited to use them. I wanted to use some hexagons for a while, but there's not a lot of books that I have that have them. So when I saw that they were in there, I was pretty excited to use them and figure out a good spread for that. So I think this kind of fits the bill. I don't know why, but it kind of reminds me of desert blooms and bees, and I don't know, it all kind of ties together to me with the hexagons. And that book has the kind of corner cut feel, as you can see on the top 3 sticker in the sidebar. So it all plays together pretty nice. I also grabbed a few more little floral clusters to add in here, just to give a little bit more interest and kind of fill in some of the little spaces. I'll be using those hexagons for my workout tracking, and I work out 6 days a week, so that should all work out pretty well. I'm just trying to strike a good balance here with these. I like these florals, but they kind of have an edge to them, like they need to be oriented a certain way to look right. So just trying to find the right placement for them has been a little bit of a challenge there. So just playing around, trying to find the right placement for those. And I think shifting this over will help a little bit. Give me the space I need. And I think I like that. I also grabbed those watercolor swashes, which I didn't mention before, from the Free Spirit sticker book, the darker one, and then the lighter one I grabbed, the stars, which kind of have a similar bronzy, coppery color. So now I'm going to start laying things in, and I've got that placement down, but I'm just trying to be real careful when I place things here on the page so that everything lines up. I kind of eyeball it when I do it on the wax paper, so try to be a little bit more careful when I'm placing it for real. I'm going to do a little bit of overlapping here. Still need room to write, but I thought some of these would benefit from having the florals on top, just a smidge. And I like that these hexagons kind of go in a little bit of a gradient color wave, from like the pink down to the green. That's pretty. So basically, once I get the rest of these guys onto the page, we will be done, friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.